Hi, I'm Asensio from Mexico. I want to make this presentation as a preliminary of what will be the course we are going to have in Mexico, the course called CoreTools. The reason for this based on the series of questions that have been raised about this topic. Let's talk a little bit about what Mexico is, as a strategic location in America and for the world, for the business of the automotive industry. Mexico is part of the top 10 producers of volume worldwide. As producers not only of cars, but also of trucks and buses, and why not say so, we are also producers of many components for the aviation industry in North America and Europe. And so I invite you to imagine the potential in knowledge acquired through years of practice, in component assemblies, the great learning acquired in techniques and procedures with a high degree of effectiveness, countless lessons learned. Lessons learned that have led us to continuous improvement, but it was not easy. There is behind a great effort, dedication, commitment, responsibility, strong training. The results are reflected in the satisfaction of the people involved, to achieve competitive products, functional and with a high degree of safety and minimal risks for users. I am proud to be part of that team of workers that assemble high-performance machines and equipment under specifications with precision and accuracy. Here in this industry, I learned that if you want to be competitive, you must always strive for more. There is no room for complacency. Therefore, I want to share with you part of this great learning that I acquired along more than 25 years in the automotive industry, that if you are or not in the automotive sector, the rules are the same, to develop competitive products of high performance. Let's talk about CoreTools. The CoreTools are a series of tools, guides, methods described in specific manuals for each topic. Issued by the AIAG organization formed by the Committee of Great Automotive Leaders, they are an indispensable complement to strengthen the quality system, whatever it may be. To plan, identify and control, these are monitoring tools for all areas, both productive and financial, are the indicators that lead us to make accurate decisions, and chart the direction of the business and take it to be within the big leagues of competitors. Keep the business highly active, with better profits, keeping low manufacturing costs, due to optimization, without affecting quality, which is increasing. The CoreTools are highly effective, once implemented in the plant, and this has led to their use in any other industrial sector, and even more, so that those who implement them are professionals who have been in the automotive environment. Since 1992, when the automotive industry in Mexico was booming, and the QS9000, an automotive system in the United States, was implemented in the Ford plants, I, in my beginnings of great learning, had already established the CoreTools. I was lucky to be working in those years in the paint plant, for some years. I have seen closely and collaborated in the implementation of the quality systems ISO 9001, QS 9000, ISO, TS 16949, IATF 16949, which include 100% implementation of the CoreTools. I have not lost contact with CoreTools and I have been in the sector for more than 20 years. In this course I will share with you many of the lessons learned. The CoreTools are 5 basic indispensable tools. APQP, Advanced Quality Planning. FMEA, Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. SPC, Statistical Process Control. MSA, Measurement System. PPAP, Initial Part Approval. These manuals are issued to suppliers of the automotive industry, for the development of components of a car or truck such as a tire, a dashboard, brake calipers, windshields, electrical systems, etc. APQP, Advanced Quality Planning. This manual is a methodology that helps us to make a quality planning of any product that you develop. In this manual is the great experience of the automotive sector around the world. This APQP manual will guide us through the 5 phases of APQP which establish how to develop a new product from a quality approach. First phase, planning. Second phase, product design and development. Third phase, design development of the process. Fourth stage, it is the phase of validation of the product and process. It consists of validating that the product is being manufactured with quality, like they are a series of steps that it is necessary to carry out. Tests of performance, of here the guarantee arises. Fifth phase, production phase, here another series of tests are run, and statistical control is implemented to monitor of performance. The FMEA is the analysis of failure modes and effects. In the context are the failure modes, effects, causes, and controls of the process that are involved in the product since its design. I will show you how to develop its content, how to implement it. This tool is the birth certificate of the product. From here comes the need to implement the control plan. The FMEA is a living tool, which is updated, in every lesson learned, in every preventive and corrective action. FMEA is a preventive tool. In the version of IATF 16949, FMEA was given an important strength to the risk management issue, and this FMEA tool is also applicable to any type of industry. MSA, Measurement System Analysis. They also include very good practices from the automotive industry. This manual tells us, among other things, how to do R&R studies for variables, how to do R&R studies for attributes. The topic of measurement is very important, because with this we will be able to validate the data we use to make decisions. In the SPC or statistical process control, you have surely seen many separate tools such as control charts, histograms, and other tools, such as CPK, PPK and CP indicators. PPAP Manual, Approval for Production Parts. This manual is also part of the CoreTools. In this manual, it sets out how we can deliver quality products to our customer, and there are a number of 18 requirements to be met. Or perhaps you have heard of the PSW, or what is a full approval, to deliver parts or components to the automotive industry. Well, in this PPAP manual as well come a series of steps and recommendations on how to make a good permanent quality product delivery to our customer. This PSW is part of the culmination of the PPAP. The control plan, which is another of the CoreTools. It is the one that considers the control of all the variables of the product and process that arise, like the most important established in the FMEA, establishes the specifications of control, the methods of control, the frequencies and sizes of samples to take. This tool is considered within the APQP manual. It is a practical tool. We will be taking these tools in a practical way, mainly with Minitab. We will use many Excel formats to fill the FMEA, to fill the control plan. We will see all the benefits obtained and the good operation in our process, once implemented, which is the intention of applying the CoreTools. We will see that as it is that the use of these has extended not only for the automotive industry but also for many sectors of the industry in general. At the end of this training, the participants of this course will be able to make and implement all the CoreTools, according to the methodology presented. Best regards and see you soon. Thank you very much.